My Minifee arrived after 2.5 weeks of fucking around, and oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes, I had to pay extra customs fees, that's fine, that's life. I'm just happy she is here. She looks like she's probably safe. Oh, they did open and examine her upside down, so that'll be interesting. But, well, anyway, let's get on to it. Yes, it's dark, it's 6 o'clock at night, and winter, yeah, and my dogs want to be in here, but tough shit. So, yes, I'm gonna make excited noises the whole time. Do, 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 do. So, this is the first time I am even meeting a resin doll. First time. So that's kind of weird, because I've thought of myself as being in the hobby for ages, but well, obviously not really, because oh, okay, I really hope I haven't built this up too much. I'll see if I can correct this light. Maybe. Okay, I had the PlayStation, the TV on with the PlayStation in the background. You see, now that's worse. Okay, fine. Sorry. Yes, let's. I'm gonna edit this bit out, I think. So okay, so having the TV on behind the camera works better for lighting, sort of. How to do. Sorry guys, it's shit lighting, but. Ooh, that's the new. That's, I don't know. It's a calendar for 2016, which is really helpful. And a postcard for Denver Doll, which is nice. At least the picture's cute. Yeah, you're seeing the reflection from the TV. Because I'm using that as lighting because my lamp is broken. As I said, I need more lamps. So, just throw this out there. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay, so they put it back upside down in the box. That's fine. She's probably fine. But, oh man, I didn't realise that the box was kind of silky, I guess. Like, it's got a really cool texture to it. It's real fancy. Yeah. Just get off, stupid bubble wrap. I hate you. And it's got, like, tape on it with a number. I guess that's my... Okay, it's not covering anything exciting. So, you know, typical Fairyland box showing the reflection of the TV. Okay. Okay. Ooh, giant felty thing that they've put in upside down. That's okay, she's worked out fine. And I guess this is the manual. Yep. So for the Moe line girl. So she is the a la carte Minifee Shoo on the Moe line body. Highly influenced by looking at Denali Wynn's videos. I'm trying to remember what the character's name is in Denali Wynn's videos, and I'm having a complete brain fart, so sorry. But yes. And then of course Lady T, the lovely Lady T, who is the queen of props. She also has one of these lovely girls, and it was just really funny timing because I'd already ordered this one when I started watching her videos, and I was like, you know, obviously it's meant to be. So, and there's a little, because I don't want to get her out yet because it's too special. What's in here? I guess is it empty bubble wrap? Yeah, it's empty bubble wrap. I would have thought that it would be like a certificate of authenticity or something. I don't know, maybe the a la carte dolls don't come with one. I see what you mean about the resin smell, guys. Holy shit. Yes, she has quite big knockers, but I think it works. And I chose this particular pair of hands. Yes, I'm actually talking at the doll and not showing you anything. Yeah, this is literally the first time I've ever held a BJD. Oh, one of her hands has come off. Terrible. Okay, no, yeah, I see what you mean about Minifee hands, and I see there's some resin residue in her fingers, which is a little bit disappointing. Doesn't seem like the seam lines are too bad from what I've read. Yeah, because I'm totally, you know, qualified to judge. Look at her little toesies! Oh my god, look at her toesies! Don't look at me, look at her toes. Oh, well, they're adorable. They're kind of a little bit hammer-toed, but like still really cute. Oh my god. I'd forgotten that I'd ordered her in the white skin. I think it works, but oh my god. Okay, so the eyes they've sent her with are really cool. Is it gonna show up? They're kind of purpley. It's not gonna show up very well, but shit, yeah, they're so cool. I wasn't really prepared for, I hadn't conceptualized the size. Yeah, so decent rotation there. I guess it's not gonna, I'm gonna have to have a play with her, obviously, because as I said, I've never had a BJD before, so I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm a little bit worried I'm going to break her, but I'm sure I'll be fine. And titties! Yes, doll nudity, titties. Yeah. See, they're not as detailed as some of the other ones, so that's kind of a little bit disappointing in some ways, because it's like I was really curious to see what the vulva looked like, really sculpted, because I'm curious. But she's just got a slit, but hopefully it'll do well enough for her when she needs to go to the toilet or anything. Yeah, there's a couple of sort of imperfections, but altogether, I'm just so excited. I don't even have any clothes for her. I do have a wig, and I haven't unpacked it yet. In fact, I have 2 wigs. But yeah. And her head goes all the way back. Look at my jugular! Yeah, because that's normal. And let's see. It looks funny inside. You've seen this before, but it just looks funny to me. So I would like to get her some green eyes, because of the character she's supposed to be. I mean, I have to see if she actually is that character after all. Come on, Kate, just put the freaking head cap back on. There we go. But she is so very sweet. And of course, it's gonna be raining until the 16th of August. That is the only day that's actually got any sunshine, which is fortunately one of my days off. So I'm hoping that it will be, like on Saturday I did a Blythe face up using MSC, so hopefully I'll be able to start working on her body blushing and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna play with her, and you will see many updates on Instagram, Instaface, and Instagram, face page, book, all that stuff. I just too excited. It feels so, it's so weird and just, I kind of want to eat her. It's a bit like a really nice sugar mouse. Okay, now I'm being weird, so I'm gonna go. So thanks for joining me. Bye. You gonna wave? Or I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay, well, bye.